Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I've got some of this Primo Amber Translucent. I just cut off a bar and just rolled it out with my rolling pin, seriously. So it's a little thicker than my thickest setting on my pasta machine. Okay? Put it on a towel just so it has some a hard surface underneath. I'm going to use the back side of my clay blade. Y'all have to forgive me. I've got a whole bunch of these. Not these, but a whole bunch of blades. But this is the only one I ever used. The first one I ever bought. Okay. So it's still pretty sharp. But I'm gonna cut down into it. Not necessarily to cut it. Okay. Put a little pattern. Okay, but then amongst the pattern, I want to do more pattern. Okay. It can be as random as you want or not. I'm going to leave it at that. This is that Adirondack ink that I don't know what color it is. It's that old. It's the Ranger line. But I just don't think these have a color on them. I've read everything, and it just doesn't say. Okay? No, I'm gonna be as conservative as I can. Okay, I don't want to be that conservative. Alright. I don't understand why some of this isn't spreading. Nope. This needs another drop. So does that. Alright, now that is literally all I'm going to put of the alcohol ink. I'm going to let that evaporate off. Yeah, I'm going to let that evaporate off, and then I'll be back. Sorry about that. All I did was sprinkle it on with my spoon. Alright, now, let's let's figure out some cutters. Alright, I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Okay. This is the large and the medium. This is the large and the medium. Oval cutters. Alright. Now, I didn't really think about it too well. I kind of want Alright, I'll figure it out. Alright. There's number 1. Okay, here's what they came out of the oven like. Now, I did wipe the surface with a little bit of alcohol just to lighten them up a little bit. It didn't really do much. That's all I did to all of it, is just buffed it. Okay, I'm kind of liking the way it looks. Oh, I've got to go this way. Okay, since this is just polymer clay and no resin or anything, this will drill through super easy. Okay. I'm just gonna drill the rest of this. Okay, I decided they needed a coat of the Varathane Gloss water-based sealer. They're really pretty. They're earthy. Maybe a little glossy, but they needed that to kind of even the coat out. Alright. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for joining me today. I know I was kind of in a weird mood, but when you're in a weird mood, good things happen sometimes. Alright. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video that you watch. Bye for now.